Hello everyone, welcome to today's Dhann ki Baat. My name is Rohit Singre, and in this particular Dhann ki Baat, we will discuss the Nifty Bank levels. Also, we will discuss some of the sector along with the stock specific action. So let's start with the Nifty first. Nifty Bank, both the indices managed to closed a week with minor gains. So let's start with the Nifty first. The analysis of Nifty. Now, if you can see here in Nifty is trading very well above this rising trend line. This is called the rising trend line, and it is holding above that since long. So this will be a fantastic support on the immediate basis for the Nifty. Now on the current basis, Nifty has a very good juncture at somewhere around 14,900, 14,700. So in short, 14,900, 14,700 will be a good demand zone for Nifty. If we see any breakdown below 14,700 will be again breakdown from the rising trend line also. So वहां पर हम लोग को स्ट्रक्चर वीक होते हुए दिख सकता है. So as of now structure is still not weak. It is not got any dent, but yes, थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉफिट बुकिंग है, उसके वजह से थोड़ा बहुत मे बी प्रेशर वी मे सी इन कमिंग वीक also. But again, one need to be very level specific, like I said in all the video, when it comes to the indices. So in Nifty, 14,900, 14,700 will be a very good demand zone. If we manage to breach below 14,700, then we may see some sort of profit booking comes in the Nifty. But until and unless it is trading above, let's say 14,900, 14,700, we may see some sort of a consolidation move. Why I'm saying consolidation move? Because we not able to break the previous swing highs, and again the profit booking we have been witnessed and form the sort of engulfing candle on the Friday session. So that's the reason I'm saying we may see some sort of consolidation going forward in the same range, which is 14,400 on the higher side and 14,700 on the downside. So this is the broader view for the Nifty. Let's look at the Nifty Bank also, what Nifty Bank is suggesting us. Just a minute. So now if you can see in here, again a very good support zone is formed in the Nifty Bank also. So if we can see this blue box, this is the very good demand zone for the Nifty, which comes somewhere around 35,000, 35,000, 34,500. So this is a very good demand zone. So until and unless we are trading about 35,000, 34,500, the structure will be a fantastic, and we may see again the sort of consolidation in the coming week. Now just wanted to show one more thing. If you can draw the trend line from here, we saw the strong profit booking from the falling trend line, which is again the technically one can say a good structure. If we talk, okay, then falling trend line we have been witness a good profit booking. Now we need to check whether this blue box, which is 35,000, 34,500, if able to manage, if able to hold or not. If breach, then we may see some sort of profit booking which can push which can push Nifty Bank towards these levels, which is 32,800, because as such there is no strong support. So the strong support is lies somewhere around 35,000. So 35,000 will be a fantastic support for the Nifty Bank. And on the higher side, Nifty Bank has a stiff resistance in between 36,000, 36,200. Any break below 36,200 can see a very good move in Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank having these levels. Now let's look at the sector also. See, we have been witnessing last 2 week, we have been witnessing a profit booking from a higher end. So there is no fresh breakouts in the particular sector. But yes, some sector, one can keep a radar on. Just a minute, I just wanted to start with the first sector, which is Nifty Pharma. Can we see this again? Nifty Pharma has a very good demand zone in this blue box area, okay, and it is trading somewhere around this level only. So if these levels are held, let's say in on the level front, 11,900, 11,800, if these levels are held in the Nifty Pharma, then we may see some sort of relief rally or pullback in Nifty Pharma, which can push Nifty Pharma towards 12,500. But again, one need to be very cautious at the move. It is just near the support. It is not showing any sort of reversal sign yet, but we need to look for the reversal sign, and then we will look for the particular stock. So Nifty Pharma is trading near the support zone. If break below 11,800, then we may see a good profit booking in Nifty Pharma also. So this is the first sector. I will not go in the stock specific, because there is not much traction I found in the particular space. Now let's look at the Nifty auto also. This is the again second sector I just wanted to discuss with you all. So again, can we see here there is a sort of head and shoulder is forming out here. I will draw the head and shoulder for you, just a minute. So there is a sort of head and shoulder is forming out here, which is again the bearish reversal sign, but the breakout has not happened yet. Okay, breakout will be below, just a minute, I will share the levels also. So this is the head and shoulder is formed in the Nifty auto, which is again a bearish reversal sign. So one need to be very cautious around this level 10,200, 10,100. This will be a very crucial level to watch on the Nifty auto. Once we see a decisive breakdown below 10,100, then we may see more profit booking comes in the Nifty auto space, as we may see a breakdown from the Nifty auto head and shoulder pattern. So Nifty auto below 10,100 we may see a good profit booking, but until and unless it is trading about 10,100, the structure is still not bad. Like I said, there are not much sector to talk on because we have been witnessing the profit booking in the Nifty. But yes, there is a good stock specific action going on in the market, and we need to look for those stocks. The first stock that came on my radar is the Uflex. Okay, if you can see Uflex chart, just a minute, it has given a very good breakout uh, s- recently, and again if you can see the current prices are bounce after retesting the breakout zone, which is again a very good sign. And if you look at on the volume front, the volume is also one can say a decent volume is witnessed on the chart. So I think Uflex has a very good base somewhere around 390 400 odd level. So until and unless it is trading above 390, it is good to go somewhere around 450, 450 470 odd levels. So if anyone is holding, they can keep their trailing stop loss at 390. We may see some sort of profit booking below 390, but until and unless it is trading above 390, the structure is still valid. The another stock which I want to discuss is the Wellspun industry. Just a minute, I will share the chart. Okay, so can we see the strong breakout? Look at the breakout. It is a strong breakout we have been witnessed in the Wellspun. One can say the range breakout has been happened in the Wellspun industry. And look at the volume. That's what the interesting part about this chart is. Look at the volume. This humongous volume activity has been witnessed on the daily chart of Wellspun industry, which makes it more lucrative at the moment. So again, the breakout level was somewhere around 75 76. Okay, so immediate support for the Wellspun industry lies somewhere around 75 76. So until and unless it is trading above 75 76, it is good to go towards 90 or 95 odd levels in coming session. So this is the another stock that one can keep a radar on. The next stock, which is again the it is the BSE counter, but I found it interesting, that's why I'm sharing the name. If you can see again the which I always get attracted to the volume. So look at the volume activity and look at the big candle, and again this was from the strong support zone. Okay, so again ICGC will be another stocks one can keep a radar on. On the immediate basis, 440 has a very good base. 440 has a very good support zone for the ICGC. Until unless it is holding above 440, we may head towards 500, 520, 550 odd levels in coming session. The next stock and the last stock which I focused on is the Tata Power. Tata Power also has witnessed a very good breakout on daily chart. Let me share the breakout also. Okay, so this is the one can say the flag breakout has happened in the Tata Power. I will draw the flag, just a minute. Okay, so this is the flag pole, and this, just a minute, and this is the flag, one can say. So flag breakout has been happened on the daily chart, and look at the volume again. Strong volume activity at the time of breakout. So again, Tata Power one need to keep a radar on. Immediate basis support is 110 and the overall support is 105. So 105 110 are the fantastic level on the downside. Until and unless holding about those level, we may see some traction towards 120 125 odd levels. So we have discussed Nifty Bank, Nifty Pharma in the on this sector specific, Nifty Auto, wherein it formed the head and shoulder, it will get active below 10,100. Then we discuss the stocks like Uflex, Wellspun Industry, ICGC, and Tata Powers. So these are the things that one can keep a radar for the coming week. And thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much.